I was made know that I won't be able to go there alone. I'm actually a little bit afraid. And so it's about 6:15 a.m. in the morning while I packed up my bag and started moving towards the Paja Park, where I am going to board my bus going to Akoko, to the mysterious lake. Go along with me, guys. This is somewhere around Erin-Ijesha waterfall. Now imagine someone going to Akoko from Lagos. What is he doing on this road? Yeah, this driver has been a pain for me. He took us through the route of Ibadan, Ilesha. Why I got to the park early and I thought I would be in Akoko soon. Wait, today's journey seems ending. It's been from one issue with the bus driver to another, and presently now we are in Akure. Since about 8 o'clock in the morning that we got here, that we left the park. So we just got to Akure around 3 p.m. That's a lot of time than the usual time. And so guys, good morning. This is exactly 10:48 in the morning. I'm just out of the hotel where I lodged, and then I'm going to the lake right now. Yes, I'm going to the Ebomi Lake at Ipesi. I actually slept at Ifira Akoko. All these towns are closer to themselves, very close. But right now I'll be taking a bike to the lake itself to visit the mysterious lake. Last night when I entered this town and I make inquiries about this the lake, I was made know that I won't be able to go there alone or by myself. So well, I'm not surprised because of the story and mystery behind this lake. So let's go and let's see how it goes. I'm actually a little bit afraid, but then I'm a man, so then I have to visit the place. Wow, welcome to Ebomi Lake. When I was about to enter the road that leads to the lake, I was told to see the High Chief of the Ebomi Lake, and thank God I have the opportunity to have conversation with him and family. So this is the community. As you can see, it is calm and well. All right. Then what's up there?
Kò sí nǹkan tí èèyàn bá wá débẹ̀ yẹn ló bá ń tọrọ wọn pé ẹlòmíì tá a bá gbé kan lárugẹ ó yẹ kí àmọye ẹ̀ dáadáa.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So àdúgbò tẹ̀tẹ̀ wà ẹ́ olórí Ebomi yẹn gan-an lójókòó tẹ̀ wá sọ̀tẹ̀ ní ìjọba tó jókòó gan-an ni olórí Ebomi. Lẹ́nu bọ́dì tó máa wá pé òun wá fẹ́ wá Ebomi yẹn tó bá dé bí èkó tó lọ sọ̀rọ̀ wọn olúwa ìparọ́ ni kò ní rí kankan. Tó bá lọ síbẹ̀ tó bá gbàdúrà yẹn àdúrà yẹn dẹ̀ máa ń gbà a máa rí àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí màmá máa jẹ́jẹ́ wọn pé tó bá o lè promise kinní kan báyìí pé if you give me this thing, I will come and pay it.
Yes.
Àmọ́ ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tí wọ́n bá wá bẹ́ẹ̀, wọ́n bá tọrọ. Nǹkan tí mo tọrọ ẹ tẹ́ bá lè fún mi o, àwa dúpẹ́.
Mo tiẹ̀ gbọ́ tó ń sọ pé nígbà kan ní ayé ìgbà yẹn pé tí bóyá ogun bá ṣẹlẹ̀ pé ó máa ń ní àwọn invisible soldiers tó máa ń protect.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Láyé àtijọ́ ìgbà tí ogun bẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n sọ mi ò sílé nígbà yẹn but àwọn tó rí ló pọ̀. So nígbà yẹn sójà yẹn wọ́n jáde. Sójà yẹn jáde lórí omi. So àwọn Nigeria sójà wọ́n rò pé enemy ni wọ́n bẹ̀ sí fàyà. Wọ́n nígbà tí wọ́n yìnbọn tí ìbọn ọ̀dá wọn padà wá sílé. Àwọn kan tí ẹ̀sùn kún wálé ni pé wọn ìlú eléèrè pé tó bá jẹ́ pé enemy ni pé gbogbo nìyàn finish bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ wá sọ wọn pé àwọn sójà Ebomi gangan nìyẹn kò ṣe ní tàbí ó tì pàpà wà títí tèmi o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ọlọ́run jẹ́ ká rí jagun tógun bá dé bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọn ní lè wọlé.
Síbẹ̀.
Ṣé ẹ rí omi Ebomi is a good water. Nígbà kan mo lọ sí Èkó wọ́n dẹ̀ ní nǹkan báyìí ni mo ṣe mo ní mi ò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ o mo ní kí n bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ní kó omi Ebomi ní kó dá mi lẹ́jọ́ mo dẹ̀ wá sílẹ̀ ìgbà yẹn mo sọmọdọ̀ ní 1984 ní 1974 ó wá dé wọ́n wá ní nǹkan báyìí ní ìjàlè mi ò ṣe kí nìkan o ní kí ó bá ti jẹ́ pé mo jalè kọ́nà pé Ebomi yẹn kó bẹ́ẹ̀rì mi síbẹ̀ tí n bá dẹ̀ jalè kí Ebomi yẹn kó kó mi lọ ṣùgbọ́n àkùkọ funfun tí ò ní ní àbàwọ́n kò ní ní black kò ní ní blue every white ní gbogbo àbàwọ́n yẹn ní àyè yẹn a bá sọ ìgbà tí mi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ Ebomi yẹn ó kó mi lọ pé èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ sòótọ́ téèyàn bá ti sòótọ́ òótọ́ á máa tọ̀ tó yẹ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wá síbi báyìí tẹ́ bá ti wá pẹ̀lú ọkọ̀ kan pé nǹkan báyìí lẹ̀ wá ẹni problem ṣẹ́rọ omi tó dáa ni omi tó dáa níbi tó wà yìí báyìí kò síbi wọ́n lè wá láti Amẹ́ríkà Èkó Jos everybody Warri Port Harcourt everywhere náà ti wá tó yẹ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹ̀yin gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkan tẹ wá síbi lórúkọ Jésù ṣe bọ́mọ student ní ẹ̀rí ti yín ṣe
àmín
gbogbo nǹkan tẹ wá síbi ó máa pè yín
àmín lágbára
iṣẹ́ tó tún ọ̀sẹ́ Ọlọ́run máa yọ̀dá ẹ̀ fún yín èmi bẹ́ẹ̀ àbúrò mi jẹ́ fún àtẹ̀mọ̀ ló jẹ́ náà níbẹ̀ yẹn ẹ máa fídíò ó jẹ́ náà níbẹ̀ yẹn tó nǹkan tí mo sọ ni pé èmi báyìí Èkìtì state ni mo wà jòkó dáadáa jòkó ẹ lè má rí mi bí ìgbà yẹn ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ yìí báyìí
ó ti wà lórí
gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ yìí
everywhere ló ti máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀
ẹ lè má rí mi bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n.
ìtàn rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ
ní ò bá rí wàá pọ̀ tó yẹn.
wàá fọ bó ẹgbọ́n mi lọ́wọ́.
Ebomi yẹn omi tó tóbi ni omi tó tóbi dáadáa. òun náà gan fẹnu ara ẹ̀ sọ olóòkun nìkan ló dùn lọ. orí tí òkun bá ti yàn ó tó wá kan òun ó ní ìlú kékeré tó lò wá lọ jókòó sí orí tó bá jókòó sí ìlú kékeré yẹn ó ní gbogbo ayé ló máa kúrò débi tí wọ́n bá wà. omi ńlá ni Ebomi o ìṣòmi kékeré kan o. bí ìtàn ti ṣe wà ààlà àwọn pẹ̀lú fẹ́lẹ̀ ló wà níbi tó wà yẹn. láyé àtijọ́ kí àwọn kan sọ pé wọn ò lọ ẹran mú wọ́n wá bá Ebomi yẹn. Ebomi yẹn wá fún wọn lọ́mú nígbà tó fún wọn lọ́mú tí wọ́n lọ́mú lọ dáadáa Ebomi yẹn wọ́n bu sínú igbá wọ́n gbé lọ sí ilé gbogbo Ebomi yẹn ló gba ìlú yẹn pátá Àtọ́ ń ba ìlú yẹn omi yẹn wọ́n tún wá dá padà omi tó gba ìlú yẹn wọ́n tún wá padà sáré ẹ̀gbọ̀n pátápátá ni omi wọn fi ríbi jókòó nísìnyí báyìí àwa la máa ń bọ́ a máa fi àgbò ń bọ́ a máa fi àkùkọ funfun dábàá wọn a máa fi bọ́ omi tó tóbi ní o tó bá lẹ́yìn tó bá lọ níbẹ̀ tó bá lọ jẹ́jẹ́ ohun tó bá jẹ́jẹ́ tó bá wá tó bá sọ fún wa tó bá gbé kìíní yẹn wá òkè ń bè ní oríbọ ẹ wà ó láti lé nílẹ̀ tí oko lòun atoko nílẹ̀ délé lòun jẹ́ èyí ni wọ́n ti máa ń bọ́ fún ó lè máa ń fún mi.
Mo ń gbọ́ yìí.
Ṣé kò lè gbé ọdá?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni sà.
Náà wọ́n á gbàdúrà ní o.
Àmín.
Bẹ̀sì wá gbọ́ ìtura rẹ̀ ní Bọ́lá tán o.
Àmín.
Ada ní Bọ́lá o.
Àmín. Àmín. Ẹ ṣé sà. Ẹ ṣé kò sí. Leave it there. Don't touch it. I know you must be enjoying this video already about the Ebomi Lake. Please, I want you to subscribe to this channel, so that you can keep on seeing more of these videos. Will be going, across Nigeria, across many places. So please, make sure to subscribe, share, comment on the video. Thank you. And we'll be having the giveaway now. Yeah, so we're doing this just to encourage people, encourage our supporters, our viewers that has been supporting us one way or the other. So this is also a way of giving back to the community. Yeah, so the promo code will be AdvenJungle. So you just have to send me this code on WhatsApp on this number you're seeing on your screen. Yeah, just send AdvenJungle to me. So the giveaway will be given to the first 2 people that send the codes to me on WhatsApp. The first 2 people that send the code we get the 5,000 naira each, which is a total of 10,000 naira. So thank you guys, keep enjoying this video. If you like it, if you enjoyed it, please share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you. So right now we are at the lake, and I believe you must have heard a little story from the High Chief of the Ebomi Lake. But what actually surprised me about this lake is that, can you see how clean it is? The surface of the lake is very, very clean. No leaves on it, despite the fact that leaves are close, on the rock there. But none of it entered the lake. None of it entered the lake. There is no leaf, even despite there is a tree branch almost falling on the lake, but none of the leaves were able to be on the surface or enter the lake itself. Yeah, and this actually shocked me. I have heard a lot of story about this lake, so I decided to come and check it out myself. Here I am. Can you see? The lake is clean. The woman is telling us a lot of stories about this lake. According to the woman and the High Chief of the lake, this water serves as a protection for the people of the community. In the time past, there have been stories of invisible soldiers that came out just to fight on behalf of the people of the community. According to the High Chief, one of the wars that happened in those days was between the Biafrans and the invisible soldiers. The Biafrans were unable to capture any of the invisible soldiers. They have to run away because they were unable to neutralize any of the invisible soldiers. According to what I heard, according to the story.
Ààrẹ àǹfààní ìjọba kankan jẹ níbẹ̀ yẹn. Tí ọ̀nà tó wà mobilize ní irú Ebomi Lake yẹn, ọ̀nà ọbẹ̀ ọ̀dá irú ìgbà òjò báyìí, wà mọ́tò rẹ́dù mọ́tò lè dé rẹ̀ àti ìrọ̀jọba ó ń yọ ọ́ ó bá wa rí sí ọ̀nà yẹn láti pé ọ̀nà yẹn ó ṣe ń gbà fún mọ́tò àtàwọn ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ kan pàápàá àwọn kan dákun sóhun yẹn wọn ò rí ọ̀nà pé ìlú wálé ẹ̀bọ̀n mẹ́mẹ́ta lẹ́ ń sọ yìí ìdíyàlé 1970 wọ́n ti kọ́ ilé kan síbẹ̀ láti gbà yẹn kò sí ohunkóhun tó lè ṣẹ́gun mi lé jùlọ. ó wà wá náà láti pé bẹ̀rẹ̀ wà mú tẹ́ kó dùn wò lójú. It's one of the tourist attachment.
Exactly.
Ní Ondo State. A ò gbé ní nǹkan kan bẹ̀rẹ̀ abẹ́ ìjọba ó ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá ṣe kọ̀ọ̀kan sí ẹ̀kọ́
Yes, Lake is more than just water. It's history, mystery, and power. From the invisible warriors to its sacred declarations, this place holds untold secrets. But sadly, there is little development here, no hotels, no proper roads, and very little awareness. The last major government effort was in the 1970s, and since then, nothing significant has been done. This lake deserves better. I'm calling on all the governments, travel lovers, investors, and the sons and daughters of this land to develop Ebomi into the attraction it was meant to be. If you're watching this, come visit, experience the mystery, and help spread the word. Share this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to AdvenJungle. For more adventures. Let's put Ebomi Lake on the map.